Next, one small case study, Sai Pranati. In software testing, we have several tasks. Several tasks. It is not our syllabus. Just observe. See, several tasks. Tasks in software testing. You have experience na, some experience in software testing na. Sai Pranati. List out the tasks of software tester in your own words. List out the tasks. Sai Pranati.
The requirement.
Pardon? Requirements. Understanding. Understanding.
Requirement.
Requirements. Suppose if it is sequential development model, requirement form. If it is agile model, user stories. User stories. Next, after understanding, derive test scenarios. Derive test scenarios. Next, write or document test cases and collect test data. Next, execute test cases. Here we have several levels of execution. Suppose initial level sanity testing. Next, comprehensive testing, executing all possible test cases after accepting the build. Next, re-and regression testing on modified beds. At the end, final regression. Okay, we have some levels of test execution. Okay. Next, after test execution, test cycle closure. I am mentioning important tasks. Suppose these are the important tasks in software testing, Muhammad Khalil. Here all are important from beginning to ending, start to end. All are important. In these, which one is mandatory for any type of testing? Mandatory. I think Sulabh can answer it.
Sir, collect test data and execute test cases.
One, you tell me one task.
Execute test cases, sir.
Execute test cases. Writing test cases. Say out of these five, which one is mandatory? Which one is mandatory? Okay, but all are sequential steps now.
Yes, sir.
All are sequential. If you don't understand requirements, you can't derive test scenario. If you can't derive test scenario, you can't write test cases. If you can't write test cases, you can't execute. If you can't execute test cases, then you can't close the test closure. All are sequential steps, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Means dependent steps. Okay, but even though these are dependent steps, one is more important than others. That is executing test cases. If it is manual testing, manual user interaction is human user interaction is mandatory. If it is automated testing, a tool can execute it, execute test cases. Anyhow, executing test cases is more important task. Muhammad Khalil told that is correct answer only. Correct answer also. Why? Tell me the reason, Muhammad Khalil.
Sir, I was thinking like test execution is the more important thing, even though if you have the incorrect requirement or anything, you have to execute in order to see the right result or wrong result, I guess.
Suppose incorrect requirements, okay. Execution, okay. Execution is more important task in software testing. Why? Can you tell me, Kolaka? Mohammed Karim, you are trying to tell some explanation.
Test result depends on the test execution, sir. So pass or fail can be determined with
Test result depends on test execution. Test execution depends on test cases, na?
Yes, sir.
Test cases depends on test scenarios. Test scenarios depends on requirements.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Karim, you are trying to tell something. Tell me. If it is whether it is incorrect requirements.
Sir, incorrect requirement or sometime lack of information, let's say, or in order to execute the test case to get the result either false or true, we have to execute, like just a dry run, in other word, to get familiar or get to know or verify the functionality, stuff like this.
Suppose you have incorrect requirements. Based on that incorrect requirement, you wrote some test cases. You are executing. That application functionality is not working as expected. Then how you know what is the functionality?
Some idea at least after execute, sir, some idea will
after executing, you may get some idea, okay, but you can't define the application exact functionality, na?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Here you tell me Sai Pranati, with your previous experience, Sai Pranati. Mohammed Karim, you are also having experience in nano testing, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you, Sai Pranati? Tell me something. Try to tell. Why?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, cool. Okay, Mohammed Karim. Executing test cases is a more important task in software testing. Others also important. All are dependent. We can't segregate, but this is important. Why? Say, basically, observe Kamlata. Basically, we have two sorts of testing, software testing. One is formal testing, another is informal testing. In formal testing, we may have documentation, we write test cases and execute test cases. Here execution is banned there. Suppose in informal testing, informal testing, example, exploratory testing, ad hoc testing is there now. Suppose in informal testing, there we use test design techniques like exploratory testing. There we can't write test cases. Mohammed Khalid, getting the point?
Yes, sir, that is correct.
Then we can't write test cases. In informal testing, no requirements, no valid requirements, no test cases. With previous experience only, we may conduct exploratory testing. No writing test cases, but execution is mandatory there also.
Yes, sir.
So executing test cases is more important task in software testing. Raise objection, Komlata, any objection?
Clear, sir. Due to formal and informal testing.
In formal testing and informal testing, in both of the testings, we have executing test cases. But in informal testing, we may not have documentation and test cases.